Students, we have to already know the concept of difference and the intersection. Now we will conclude a minus b should be equal to a intersection b dash. Here is universal set is equal to a x, such as x is the element of w. W stands for whole number and x is less than or greater than 20. If we write this set in the tabular form, it's here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 20. Then a set is equal to 1, 3, 5 till 19, and b set is equal to 0, 4. This is the whole even number set. So we have to prove a minus b should be equal to 8 intersection b dash. So a minus b is the left hand side. So we first find the left hand side answer, a minus b. We write two set comparisonly and write the minus sign here. So you can see that there is not a single element is common, so all the elements remains here. So a minus b should be 1, 3, 5 till 9. On the other side, we have to find the answer a intersection b dash. First of all, we find the b complement. B complement should be equal to u minus b. U is here same set, whole number set till 20, and a set, b set is here the even number set 0 till 20. So if we remove the even numbers from here, so what else is this set? 1, 3, 5 and 19 should be here. So this is the set here. We have to take the intersection of two sets, this one and this one. We will take the intersection of two sets. So all the elements are the same, so we can easily understand this is the left hand side answer and this is the right hand side answer. Both answers are equal, so we have proved that a minus b is be equal to a intersection b dash. Now we have another example. A intersection b complement should be equal to a complement universal b complement. U set is the same whole number set till 20. A set is equal to the odd number set 1 till 19, and b set is the whole even number set 0 till 20. So first of all, we will find out a intersection b. A intersection b, we will take the comparison, write the intersection sign here. So we can say not a single element is common, so intersection would be the empty set. So now universal set minus b should be the a complement. A intersection b complement, in this is equal to u minus a intersection. So this is the universal set minus, and this is the answer of a intersection b. So we not a single element is there, so all these elements are the answer. So now this is the answer of left hand side. Now we will find the answer of left side, right hand side, a complement. First of all, a complement u minus a, same is there. We have write the universal set, then minus sign, then this is the a set. So if we remove these odd number here, what else there? Here is the even number. So a complement is the even number. So we find the b complement, which is equal to u minus b. First of all, we write universal set, then minus sign, then all the b set. So if we remove all these sets, even number from this set, 1 is remaining there, 3 is remaining there, 5 is remaining there till 19. So this is the set and this is the set. So we will take the intersection of union of these two sets. If we take this one, then union of this one. So we will combine all the elements here. We again got this one. So this answer is here, and left hand side answer, and this is the right hand side answer. So these are two equal, so left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it's proved that a intersection b complement is equal to a complement union b complement. Now hope so you can solve the remaining question of your exercise.